We are pleased to show you the 2022 911. 911. Safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power driver's seat, navigation system, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.